Today, we're making a simple yet powerful ginger tea, perfect for soothing the body and warming the soul. Here's what you'll need for a perfect cup of ginger tea. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and thinly sliced, 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, optional. Start by peeling and slicing the ginger thinly. This helps release all its wonderful flavor and benefits. In a small pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the ginger slices, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you simmer, the stronger the ginger flavor. After simmering, strain the tea to remove the ginger slices. You're left with a beautiful, fragrant ginger infusion. For extra flavor and benefits, you can add a tablespoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon. The honey adds sweetness, while lemon gives it a refreshing zing. Your soothing ginger tea is ready. Sip and enjoy the warmth, and let its natural healing properties comfort you. That's how easy it is to make fresh ginger tea. Perfect for boosting your immune system or just relaxing at the end of the day. Subscribe for more natural recipes.